back here at AutoCity Speedway. We're going to do a drift test and tune evening. We just did Jackson Speedway with Mid-Michigan Drift Club last weekend. I was intimidated. It's a tight track. There's tires lining the edges, but the Mid-Michigan Drift guys were super helpful. Sosa here at OAKOS coached me along, so I was grateful for all the help. And I was really happy with the results. I didn't hit anything, which was cool. And I got some angle and had an awesome time. So the first real drift event I've ever done. I had so much fun out there. We're gonna try this out again. We were out here a couple times last year and it was a good time. So let's see what it's like after being on such a tight course like Jackson was. So we did 2 drift days. We did the Jackson Speedway with the Mid-Michigan Drift Club. It was an awesome event. And then a few days later, we did AutoCity in Clio, Michigan, a big oval. It's big. There's not much to hit. It's higher speed. It's a good time. So up next, we're going to put the fuel coilovers back on. We're going to get a real clutch type LSD for the rear. And while I didn't use the drift button, I wasn't comfortable pulling it on the track yet. Been practicing with it, and we'll be able to use that next time out. So subscribe for more content, and hopefully we'll get some more drift video up soon. Thanks.